Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to block the person who is in your contacts, for doing so, just follow step by step guide. First step is open your Snapchat account and then tap on your bitmoji avatar on left hand side. Tap here. Then scroll down and find my friends. Tap my friends to all your contacts. Then tap and hold on the username which you want to block them. Tap and hold. By doing so, a menu will be pop up. From that menu, select more and then tap on the block is the second option. If you are sure you want to block this person, then tap block and thus that selected person will be blocked it.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.